In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Wowy. Wowy is a multi-language Laravel eCommerce script. So after purchasing this script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. My file manager, here is it, Files File Manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'm going to use for this testing purposes. For every domain I want to use the real domain, I'm going to go under public HTML. But for this testing purposes, I'm using a subdomain, which is this. Let me click on it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I've already uploaded the script, so let me extract it. Extract files. So next I click on close. So let me go to my subdomain to confirm everything is in the root folder. So here is it, I click on it. So now I've successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Let me copy my subdomain name, although I will still create my database, but I will do it later. Open, paste it there, then click on enter. So next I click on let's go. So next I click on configure environment. So next I'm going to fill this part, that's the database name, all these parts. You know, I've not created my database, so let me go to my cPanel. This time around I want to create my database. I go to databases. So under it I go to my SQL databases. So let me create my database. I name it as this. Then next I click on create database. So I've successfully created my database. Let me close it. Then I click on go back. After creating my database, what next is for me to create my user. So let me scroll down to create my user. Let me name my user as this. Okay. So I click on create user. I've successfully created my user. Next I click on go back. After creating my database and my user, what next is for me to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. So I'm going to choose one I just created for this purpose. Okay, here is it, and this is it. I click on add. Next I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I have successfully add my user and my database together. Yeah. Next let me copy my username and copy, then go back to this place. So I will place it there. So let me place it here. That's my username, my database name, next I click on install. Next let me say my first name to be admin, last name admin, username to be admin, email admin@example.com, Then I click on create. Okay, I made a mistake here. Let me type. I click on create. Then next I fill my virtual username and purchase code. Then I click on activate license. And I'm done. So go to admin dashboard. Here is my dashboard. I have successfully uploaded my script. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Also use the hire me link or the engage me link in the description to engage me for your sales installation and customization. Thank you.